Hi everyone, welcome to On Finance, and in this video we're going to cover the concept of trading and investing. So bakit meron tayong trader and then bakit meron ding investor? So first, let's define trading. Trading is actually buying and selling of securities in short intervals to generate gains. So yung motto ng mga traders is actually buy low and sell high. So if you have a chart of a specific security in a 1-year time frame, and if you are a trader, you would actually would want to buy at this point and then sell at that point, buy again and then sell, and then buy and sell again. Okay, so you actually profited 3 times: first, second, and third. Okay, now how about investing? It's actually allocating of funds with the expectation of generating profit in the future. Ang motto nila, buy, hold, and sell. So going back to the chart, still in a 1-year time frame, if you are an investor, you would want to buy at this point and then sell at that point. Okay, so you only made profit once, and that's actually at the time of at this data point here when you are selling your position. So kailan ka ba pwedeng mag-trade? Kailan ka ba pwedeng mag-invest? Actually, it really depends in your skill set, kung meron kang enough knowledge about technical analysis or fundamental analysis. So pwede kang mag-trade and invest at the same time. Or kung wala ka namang time to monitor the market, then you go for investing. Kung meron kang extra time to do the technical and fundamental analysis, then you go for trading, exploit the volatility of the market, and actually made more profit. So ano yung pwede i-trade? Treasury bill. Actually, halos lahat ng marketable securities. Pwedeng UITF or mutual funds, government securities, corporate bonds, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, real estate investment trusts or REITs, common and preferred stocks, and even forex and cryptocurrencies. Pwede mo siyang i-trade and i-invest at the same time. Okay, is that clear? That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.